Hello, my name is Stephen Frost. This is my wife, Melissa Frost. We have two companies, Eco-Centric Cleaning and Whole Life Alchemy. We are here to give a review of our dear friend, Trevor Mickelson. I first met Trevor Mickelson online. We shared a common interest and decided to get together at a coffee shop and talk about it. And then we have all been really close friends since then. Trevor is an amazing individual who is just so inspiring and so encouraging, and he's like one of our biggest fans and encouragers right now. We just have so much gratitude for Trevor and everything that he's helped us do. He's helping us, encourage us to open Whole Life Alchemy fully up and to do all these things and get all these courses done and up and get videos up on our YouTube. He's helping us align our YouTube channel to attract our soul clients. He's been there for all of our new things that we come out with, like our Reiki sessions he's had and our shamanic journeys he's been to, and it's just encouraged us so much throughout all of the years that we've known him. It's for sure. Trevor Mickelson also is the creator of the Embrace Prosperity Mastermind group. This is a group that we're in and we get so much out of. This is where he's encouraging everybody to really sing their truth and align with their optimal frequencies and optimal timelines. And he's really encouraging people with his soul attraction client system that he has going on right now, and that is really helps you get all the soul clients that are out there aligned with what you're doing, and really brings them in. He also helps open-minded entrepreneurs align with their optimal timelines and track abundance and wealth. So if you're really looking to have a new understanding about abundance and money, he's also a guy to really get behind, and he literally helps people sing their truth and break through their internal blockages, and encourages them to really get out there and sing their truth to attract the people who are out there looking for it.
Yes, he's definitely a very unique individual with an amazing energy. He has helped us tremendously over the years, and we are very thankful for being able to be his friend and to have him in our lives. He is just very supportive, one of the most supportive people we've personally had in our lives in a very long time. And again, we're very thankful for Trevor and can't ever say thank you enough.
Trevor is amazing. Just like him on Facebook. Get into his Embrace Prosperity Mastermind group. Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Videos.
Friend him on Facebook. This is a guy who you want to get in the wake of and get behind, and because the biggest thing you can do on this planet to encourage you to get to where you want to be is you got to follow people who are doing the things that you want to do. And Trevor's one of those guys.
He's got that energy.
You got to follow, because he's going to really take you to new heights just by being around him. And if you're interested in sun gazing or any of these things, his YouTube channel is really good to go. Give him a subscription and get into his groups. He's a really unique individual that has a lot to offer to this world, and he is just always giving, because he knows in giving he's actually receiving at the same time,
which is a great gift to learn.
Thank you so much, Trevor. We have so much gratitude and towards you and everything that you do for us, buddy. We really appreciate you.
We love you very much.
Bye.